Can and could are both modal verbs that we use in English to talk about abilities, possibilities, permissions, and requests. Let's know about them. Ability. Use can to talk about what someone is able to do. Example, I can swim. Possibility. Use can to talk about things that are possible or likely to happen. Example, it can rain tomorrow. Permission. Use can to ask for or give permission. Example, can I borrow your book? Example, yes, you can use my phone. Past ability. Use could to talk about what someone was able to do in the past. Example, when I was younger, I could run very fast. Polite requests. Use could to make polite requests or ask for something in a kind way. Example, could you please pass me the salt? Possibility. Use could to talk about something that is possible, but not as certain as when using can. Example, it could be a nice day tomorrow. Can is often used in present situations, while could is often used to refer to past situations or to make requests more polite. Both words are quite flexible and can be used in various situations depending on context.
5 more examples for each can and could. She can play the piano beautifully. We can go to the park this weekend. Can you speak French fluently? They can't attend the meeting tomorrow. I can help you with your homework after lunch. Could you please pass me the salt? When I was younger, I could climb trees easily. I wish I could visit that exotic island someday. Could I borrow your pen for a moment? She could cook a delicious meal for the family gathering.